If you want to show somebody a close-up detail, so for example, say I wanted to show somebody a detail of the zips, I need to do a little blow-up of my drawing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the whole of this jacket, okay, and I'm going to go to my layers panel for this, and I'm going to make a new layer, and I'm going to call this layer Blow Up. And I'm going to copy, so I've selected the whole thing, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste in front. Okay, now this little red light here on my layers panel shows everything that's selected at the moment, so I'm just going to pick everything up and move it to Blow Up. So now if I hide Blow Up, I've still got everything on this layer, and I've got a copy of it on the Blow Up layer. Okay, so I can hide these. So this is my Blow Up. So I've got nothing else showing, which means I can do whatever I like with this right now. And I want to make this much, much bigger. So I'm just going to zoom out. And scale this right up. Now I just need to check that I'm scaling all my effects, and I'm not. Okay, you can see my zips have got a lot smaller. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to use my scale tool, and I'm going to scale this up, and I'm going to scale strokes and effects, and scale corners. I'm going to scale everything, so I want the whole thing to come up in size. I'm going to scale it up about 400%. Okay, the only bit that I'm actually interested in is this little piece here. So I'm going to draw a circle over the area of interest, like that. And I'm going to select the whole of the jacket and the new circle. I'm also going to copy this circle, you'll see why in a minute. So I've just made a copy of that, and I'm going to select the whole thing plus the new circle, and I'm going to go to Object and choose Clipping Mask. And now I've clipped my jacket to this circle. However, the whole thing is still here, okay? So what I need to do, can you see that? As I move around, you can see these random shapes appearing. So what I need to do is I need to select the whole thing. So Control A to select the whole thing. Go to Object, and I'm going to expand appearance. Okay, now when I do that, it gets rid of, in fact, I don't think I've managed to do it. There we are. So now I've got a little circle, and all that remains of that jacket is this piece in here, like this. Okay, and then I reveal the rest of the jacket, and I can move this up here or down here. Down here might be good. And then I can add a little indicator, so I'm going to just draw a little cone. I'm going to fill that with a colour, and I'm just going to send that all the way. I'll bring this in front like that, and I could even make this slightly transparent. There we go. So you can see the bit that we're looking at, and that's it. So that's how we fill our jacket with real world textures. Use brushes for our zips and our detail on the back for our lacing, and that's how we create a little blow up area so we can see detail.